Fourth one, 4y cube 4y triple dash plus 4y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. Here in this question, instead of d cube y divided by dx cube, they have given in terms of triple dash, double dash and y dash. So we have to write the solution in terms of differential operator, that is 4d cube plus 4d square plus d whole into y is equal to 0, because here y dash means dy by dx. That d by dx we can write it as a capital D. D square divided by dx square we can write as a capital D square. D cube by dx cube we can write it as a capital D cube. Now write in the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means replacing d is equal to m. So here 4m cube plus 4m square plus m is equal to 0. Now in every term we can see m as a common. So take out 4m square plus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, m into, it is in the form a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here in the place of a I will write 2m plus b plus 1 whole square. 2m square means 4m square plus b square means 1 plus 2 into a means 4m into 1 is again 4m. So here I have underlined that term, we can write it as a m into 2m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So first m is equal to 0 we can write. Next 2m plus 1 whole square. So I split this one as a 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. 2m plus 1 is equal to 0 because whole square is there. So I split this term in the 2 form, that is whole square means 2 plus m 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Next m is equal to 0, again here m is equal to minus 1 by 2, m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore the roots are 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So here this comes under the case 2 because repeated values, and this one is case 1. So thus y is equal to, case 1 means c1 e power m value is 0 x again plus repeated values. C1 is already over. C2 plus C3x into whole power minus 1 by 2 into x. This is the general solution. D cube y divided by dx cube plus y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Here what we have to do, again in terms of differential operator means d cube plus 1 whole into y is equal to 0. So write the auxiliary equation in terms of m. So m cube plus 1 is equal to 0. While writing the auxiliary equation, don't write y. Just wherever d is there, we have to substitute m. That's it. Don't write y. Next, again trial and error. If m is equal to, let us start with the minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So now you can write thus m is equal to minus 1 is a root. M is equal to minus 1 is a root. Now, in the next line, we have to use the synthetic division method. What is synthetic division method? First, here we have to write the root for which root the above equation got satisfied. So here m cube, coefficient of m cube is 1. There is no m square, so I will write 0. There is no m, I will write 0. After m, there is a constant term that I will write 1. While starting the synthetic division, first we have to put 0 here. 1 plus 0, 1. Next multiply, minus into 1, minus 1. Again here we get 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Next multiply, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. At the last, minus 1 into 1. So we get here minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. So here, now, what is the term we have got? Here we started with the m cube. When we get 0 at the last, we have to start writing with the 1 degree lesser. That is m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to start giving the degrees from this side. M square minus m plus 1. This is the root. Here, now we have to find the root. How we have to find the root? We have to use the quadratic equation formula. That is m is equal to, here a value is 1, b value is minus 1, c is equal to 1. So minus b, minus 1, b value, minus already it's there in the formula, minus b, plus or minus root of minus b whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. So here m is equal to minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So 1 plus or minus, here we get minus root of minus 3. So this minus we can write it as a I square, because in the complex number I square value is minus 1. So I will write I square into 3 divided by 2. So 1 plus or minus I into 3 divided by 2. This is the value. Now, the roots are first root we have got is minus 1. Second one, 1 plus or minus 3i divided by 2. This is the root. Wait a minute, here root 3. We have to mention root 3i. Here I square is I, then root 3 we have to write as it is divided by 2. For this is the case 1 and this is the case 3. This is the case 1 and this is the case 3. So what we have to write? Therefore, y is equal to, case 1 means c1 e power minus x, because m value is minus 1. So minus 1 into x is minus x, plus c2 Here cos q value is root 3 by 2x plus c3 sin root 3 by 2x into e power px. E power p. Here you can divide like this. Means individually you can separate for the second root, that is 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2I. So this is the p value and this is the q value. So c2 cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 sin root 3 by 2x e power px. E power px means e power 1 by 2x. E power 1 by 2x. E power 4 minus 4d cube minus 23d square plus 12d plus 36 whole into y is equal to 0. Here directly they have given in the form of differential operator. So we have to write the solution. Auxiliary equation is 4m power 4 minus 4m cube minus 23m square plus 12m plus 36 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation where we are substituting in the place of d we are writing m. Now we have to do the synthetic division. Before doing that we have to use the trial and error method. If m is equal to 2, for 1 if you put 4 minus 4, 0, 23 minus 12 is 11, 11 plus 36 it will come 47, so it is not equal to 0. So let us go with the 2. So here 4 into 16 minus 4 into 8 minus 23 into 4 plus 12 into 2 plus 36 is equal to 0. So 64 plus 24 plus 36 we get 124 minus again 124. So 0 is equal to 0. So here for m is equal to 2, trial and error method it satisfies. So we have to use the synthetic divisions. Here you can write thus m is equal to 2 is a root. So here use the synthetic division again. So here everything is there 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So m power 0 is value 1. So I write here first root, that is 2. Here coefficient. M power coefficient is 4. M cube coefficient is minus 4 with sign. M square is minus 23. M is 12. Constant value is 36. Whenever we are starting, first we have to write 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 into 4. 8. Again 8 minus 4, 4. Again 2 into 4, 8. 20 minus 23, 8 is minus 15. 2 into 15, minus 30. Minus 30 plus 12 is minus 18. Again 2 into 8 minus 18 is minus 36. We got 0. Now we have to write one lesser degree because here we started with the degree 4. While writing, when we get 0, we have to do one lesser term, lesser degree. 4m cube plus 4m minus 15m minus 18 is equal to 0. Here also again we have to use the trial and error method. If m is equal to 2, because 1 means 4 plus 4, 8, again 15 minus 15 minus 18 means it will become 33. So let us start with the 2. 2 into 2 cube means 8 plus 4 into 2 minus 15 into 2 minus 18 is equal to 0. So here,
Ma'am, that is 4m square.
yes, I am just thinking. Yeah, 4m square. So here 16 plus 16. How much we get?
Ma'am, 4 into 8, ma'am.
Yes, wait a minute. 4 into 8. Yes, here 4. 32 plus 16 minus 30 minus 18. So 32 plus 16 is 48. Again minus 48 is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So here also we got the value by using the trial and the error method. So you can write, therefore M2 is a root. M2 is a root. Again use the synthetic division. Yes, here I will write 2. What shall I write here? First term. What is the coefficient of M cube?
4. 4, ma'am. 4.
Next here
4.
4. Next.
Minus 15.
Next.
Minus 18.
Yes. Here second row first one.
0.
0, ma'am.
Always we have to start with the 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Again 2 into 4, 8. Again 12 into 2, 24. 24 minus 15 is 9. 2 nines are 18. So we get here 0. Now here we have to start writing the equation from the degree. We started here m cube. Here from which we have to write. Yes, very good. 4m square plus 12m plus 9 is equal to 0. It is also in the form a plus b whole square. Your a value is 2m, b value is 3. So here we can write 2m plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So 2m plus 3 is equal to 0. 2m plus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here also m is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, the roots are, here they have given the degree 4. That many roots we have to get. In the question they asked degree 4. That many roots we have to get. First root is 2. Second root is 2. Third and fourth minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. These are all belongs to case 2 because these two are repeated and these two are repeated. Thus, y is equal to, case 2 means c1 plus c2 x whole power 2x plus c2 is over c3 plus c4 x into e power minus 3 by 2 x minus 3 by 2 x. One is d power 4 minus 5d square plus 4 whole into y is equal to 0. So here also directly they have given in the form of differential operator. So we can start with writing the auxiliary equation directly. So we have to replace d in the place of d m. So m power 4 minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here in the place of m power 4 we can write m square whole square minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Then for this 5m square I just write 4m square minus m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here I take m square as a common. So again m square minus 4. Here from these two I take minus 1 as a common. So I get m square minus 4. When you multiply with the minus m square minus into minus plus 4. So here we get the root m square minus 4 into m square minus 1 is equal to 0. So again m is equal to, or you can write m a square minus b square. So m plus 4 m minus 4. Again a square minus b square means m minus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 1, sorry, plus 1. Here I will make plus, here I will make minus 4 plus 1 minus 1.
M plus 2 into n minus 2.
Yes, m. Yes, wait a minute. Yes, m plus 2 into m minus 2. Yes. Here a plus b whole square means a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So m plus 2, here m minus 2. Here also m is equal to minus 2, comma m is equal to 2. Here plus 1, here minus 1. Now you write the roots are minus 2 plus 2, 1 minus 1. So these are all with the different terms. So you can mention this one as a case 1. So y is equal to C1, first term is minus 2x, C2, second one is plus 2x, C3 e power x plus C4 e power minus x is the general solution. D power 4y divided by dt power 4 plus 8d square y divided by dt square plus 16y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Here first we have to write in the form differential operator. So in terms of t they have given. So we write d power 4 plus 8d square plus 16 whole into y is equal to 0, where our capital D is d by dt, that we have to mention. Next, auxiliary equation is replacing d by m. So m power 4 plus 8m square plus 16 is equal to 0. Again this m power 4 I write m square whole square plus 8m square plus 16 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to m square, b is equal to 4. So this becomes m square plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. So I write here m square plus 4 is equal to 0. M square plus 4 is equal to 0. M is equal to, what is the root for m here? M square is equal to 4. So here m square is equal to minus 4. Here also m square is equal to minus 4. So what is our m value? What are the roots for m? What are the roots? M is equal to?
M is equal to plus or minus.
Yes, very good. M is equal to plus or minus 2i. Because when we apply square root on both sides, or we just write m is equal to plus or minus root of minus 4. is minus, already I told, minus means I square. Minus means I square. Again 4 means 2 square. So plus or minus 2i. So m is equal to plus or minus 2i, comma m is equal to plus or minus 2i. The roots are plus or minus 2i, comma plus or minus 2i. This 2 is a repeated roots. Combination of case 2, comma case 3. Because first it is a repeated, then it is with a complex pair. So here p they have not given, so you can write 0. Therefore y is equal to, repeated means first we have to write c1 c2. Here in terms of x they have not given, so we have to write in the place of x they have given t. So c1 c2 t cos 2t complex plus after c2 c3 plus c4 t into sin 2t whole power p value is e power 0t. E power 0 is 1. 4 plus 64y d power 4 plus 64y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So here also directly they have given in the form of differential operator. Write the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is m power 4 plus 64 is equal to 0. So this I can write as a m square whole square plus 64 means 8 square is equal to 0. So for this we have to use the formula, which is that formula using a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Nothing. For the a square plus b square, I have add and subtracted the value 2ab. If you add a square plus b square plus 2ab will become a plus b whole square minus 2ab I have written as it is. Because it will be in the form, when I will substitute the values, it will be in the form a square minus b square. So do the substitution. M square whole square plus 8 square is equal to here in the place of a, we have to write m square. In the place of b, write 8 whole square minus 2 into a value is m square, b value is 8. So next, in the next step, it is in the form it is in the form a plus b whole square. So I write m square plus 8 whole square minus 2 8s are 16 m square. It is in the form a plus b whole square. So we can write it as a m square plus 8 plus b. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So 4m. This is the one term. Next m square plus 8 minus 4m. This is the one term. This is the two roots. Now we have to find out. We have m square plus 8 plus 4m is equal to 0. So m is equal to, here a value is 1, b value is 4, C value is 8. So here if you want you can rewrite m square plus 4m plus 8 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus b plus or minus b square 16 minus 4ac 4 8s are 32 divided by 2. So minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 16 divided by 2. So plus or minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 16 means 4i divided by 2. So take out in the numerator 2 as a common. So 2 will get cancelled. Remaining will be 2 plus or minus 2i. This is the one root. Next, second one, m square plus 8 minus 4m is equal to 0. Or m square minus 4m plus 8 is equal to 0. Here also a value is 1, b value is minus 4, c value is 8. M is equal to minus b. So minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus 4 whole square means 16 minus 4ac 32 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus 16 minus 32 is minus 16 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus 16 minus 16 root means 4i divided by 2. Take out 2 as a common. So 2 will get cancelled. Remaining 2 plus or minus 2i. Here we can write the roots are minus 2 plus or minus 2i, comma 2 plus or minus 2i. So this is the case 3. Case 3. Therefore, y is equal to case 3 means c1 cos 2x for the first term, c2 sin 2x. Here e power px means e power minus 2x because our p value is minus 2 plus c3 cos 2x plus c4 sin 2x into e power px means e power 2x. This is the general solution. Yes. D power 4x divided by dt power 4 minus 2 into d cube x divided by dt cube plus d square x divided by dt square is equal to 0. Here in the place of y they had given x and in the place of x they have mentioned t. So first we have to write the differential operator. We have so d power 4 minus 2d cube plus d square whole into in the place of y we have to write x is equal to 0 where capital D is equal to d by dt. Therefore, auxiliary equation is m power 4 minus 2m cube plus m square is equal to 0. Here we have to take m square as a common term from all the terms. So m square means m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 0, m is equal to 0 because m power 2. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. So m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So here m is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. Again m is equal to 1, m is equal to 1. Now therefore the roots are the roots are 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is a case 2. Repeated values. 0, 0 is a repeated. 1, 1 is also a repeated. Therefore, y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power 0x plus c3 plus c4x into e power 1 into x. This is the general solution.